Hi everyone, this is Erica. I'm gonna show you how I usually curl my hair. I really like when it has like a lot of volume, like big waves, so it doesn't look that like old style, I should say. I received quite a lot of requests on Instagram, and if you want to know all of my tips and tricks on how I get this hairstyle, then keep watching. So first of all, I'm just gonna brush my hair because it's quite long and like it tangles. Then I'm just gonna section the hair going like this. I just use my hands actually, and I'm looking there because I have the mirror, so I just section it because I want to get the hair above my head. I'm using this curling iron, and the only thing like I would recommend is actually like the size of the wand. The bigger the wand is, then obviously like the bigger the curl is gonna get. So I'm just gonna start and like grab hair as I go, usually like this. And you always want to turn it in the opposite direction of your face. So I just leave it for a bit, and then what I do is usually like this with my hands. I just squeeze it a bit until like I feel like it's not as hot anymore, and then I just leave it like this, and then I just keep going. I section it, and the more hair you get, then less the curl is gonna get like defined. Just go like this. And see how like defined it is at the moment. Just to show you, I'm gonna show you like the difference if you grab like a very thin, like let's say like this hair, which is less compared to the other ones I got. I always curl in the opposite direction of my face, so away from my face. And I always keep it like my arm is like this, so the one you want it to be like straight. Then I do this, and look at the difference, how like more defined it is. So it depends like the look you want. And then I do this side. Usually don't get like the strands of hair like very close to your face, because you want it to like do with the hair on top of your head. So always away from your face. And then I squeeze it, because the hair is gonna set when like it's not as hot anymore. So yeah, and then I just keep going like this until I finished all the hair. When it's all done, the first part, I just take this hair down, I brush it, I just take it down, and I know where my part is, so I'm just gonna like divide it around here like that. And like before, I just section it like this. And this is like the important part of it, as in I don't touch my hair in front of like the bangs. I just leave it until like the last moment. These are my bangs, but they're actually like quite long. I just take my bangs and leave it like on the other side of my head, and just do this for now. The first strand of hair that I'm gonna get, I know how the wave will go down this way. So with this one, I don't want to like grab it at the root, but I just want to leave it like midway, because I know how like I want the hair to fall like nicely together. So I'm just gonna like grab it, not from the like the root. And this is how it looks. And then I can go on again and like finish all of my hair. So when I'm done with all of my hair on this side, I just get my bangs, and then there's a thingy here, like a clip. And what I do is put it inside like this, and then I twist it. I keep twisting it, and then it will release by itself. And then I just do it like that, so that I have it sets in place like I want it to. So see how like it falls nicely, so you just want the curve to go like this. So this side is done, so I'm just gonna finish this side as well. So I'm doing the same thing. Since like my part is not like in the middle, this bag is gonna be like the most like big one. This is just like a tiny strand of hair, so I'm just gonna leave this like a piece of hair just like that, and I'm not gonna touch it. And then just like before, the first strand of hair like closest to my face, I'm not gonna like do it from the root, but like from where my eyes are. Then it's just gonna fall like this. And just like before, always away from your face. Now that I'm done with this part, I'm just gonna get the last remaining like tiny strands of hair like in front of my face, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. So I'm just gonna open it up, and then I'm just gonna curl it outside. Basically it's just doing this and turning it. I keep turning it until it goes like that, so that it falls like nicely. So now this literally like took me like 15 minutes, I should say. And like if you like this look, you can just leave it like this. So I usually like put hairspray on, because like my hair is Asian hair, so like it's super like straight. It doesn't really want to hold the curls, so usually like I do put a lot of hairspray, but at the moment like I don't have it anymore. I'm using like this texturizing spray like for volume, but I don't know, I'm not really such a fan of, so like use whatever like it's best for like your type of hair, I guess. Because some people like don't even have to use a lot of like hairspray like at all, because like their hair is like maybe like thicker or like rougher than mine. So what I'm gonna do with this, since like my hair here is a bit, I'm just gonna put it on the roots. To see like that it's like volumizing it a bit, and like scrunch it so it makes a bit more of like volume. The same thing here. Usually I do this at the root and then I push it. Just gonna like spray it. Okay, and like you can leave it like that if you want. I actually like it like this. I don't think like it came out that curly, so you can leave it like this. Or what I do usually, like it's a trick, usually when like the hair is even more curly than this, I just put my head down and then I move my hair and then I like flip it back. Let me show you. So what I do is usually I just go like this. I scrunch my hair a bit, and like so it gets like more volume. Every time like you flip your hair down and then you bring it up, it's like way more like voluminous, and this is like what I want. Like see the difference, how much more like volume it had. So this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to follow me on all my social media, you can check it down below. And if you like this video, please subscribe so I can keep making videos for you guys. And yeah, see you next time.